Today we will have a discussion and have a detail about the CNC career course. At Parametric Solution, since last 22 years, we are providing training on CNC lathe programming, theory, and practical operating. And we are affiliated and certified with ITS, Indian Technical Education Board, Mumbai, then NSDC, ISO 9000 certified. We are partner and membership with TISA and ISHRE and TAI, that is Trainer Association of India. So welcome to Parametric Solution. About us, let me to share with you about what is that we do. Parametric Solution is a leader in mechanical, architect, civil, interior, automobile, piping, HVAC, MEP, electrical training for engineering students and professional engineers who are individual and who are working. We are having more than 20 plus years of experience in engineering all stream of to high-tech automation and integration, job-oriented training programs and courses. So today we are discussion about CNC lathe programming and operating course. It's a 100% job-oriented course. Once you learn it, you can get the job, and also we provide job assistance. It's a practical learning on CNC lathe fan control machine, industrial based syllabus we had prepared since last 22 years. We had trained more than around 15,000 students. Out of that, at least 5,000 plus students we are trained for CNC lathe programming. So the overall syllabus of the training program, we cover about what is NC, that is a numerical control, and then what is a CNC computer numerical control, what are the advantage, disadvantage of a CNC machine, then various parts of CNC machines to be covered, then various positions of CNC machines like machine zero, then work job, work piece zero setting, that is called offset zero, how to take, and then how to refer the tool position reference, that is a tool reference zero. So these are all different types of workpiece zero would be covered. That is G54 to G59 code, which is used for taking the offset on that. And then we'll cover the G28 code, that is for tool reference zero, that is G28, G91, X0, and Z0 for lathe machine. If it is a VMC machine, milling machine, then it is G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. Then we'll cover about the feedback control system, about a closed loop and open loop that will be covered in this. Also like a various classification of CNC machines for 2 axis and 3 axis machine, according to that we'll cover. For CNC lathe is absolutely it is a 2 axis, that is X and Z axis. So axis is a cross feed for diametrical for cylindrical job to be done on lathe machine, and Z axis is the longitudinal axis. Then we'll cover the various position of the point, then straight cut control, then countering control systems to be covered, and then types of coordinate system. So here in lathe machine, we recommend for absolute coordinate system. Also, we have teach on incremental coordinate system. That is both the things would be covered in this. There are different types of CNC machines to be covered according to the axis. That is turning center, vertical turning centers to be covered. And also like horizontal and vertical machining center for VMC machine. But in this lathe machine, we cover that is X and Z axis lathe machine. We cover the tooling and then speed, feed, and how to calibrate the cycle time for CNC lathe according to the drawing. Then there are different tool holders, then different insert like CNMG, VBMT, CCMT, different types of tool inserts to be covered. And then various selection of the tools as per the material, how to use for carbide or cementite or else ceramic. For drilling is a HSS material tool holder to be used. And then we cover about the various code, that is G code, that is geometry code, and M is a miscellaneous code according to G0 to G99, the different codes which is used for the lathe machine, and M code for the lathe machine to be covered. And there are different types of programming to be covered for the CNC lathe machine. That is for like phase turning, OD turning, ID turning, grooving operation, then the threading operation, then drilling operations to be covered. Different types of program to be covered, like a main program, then sub program, and a CAN cycle program. That is a multiple type of programs to be covered in this. So overall, around 25 plus exercise will be taken for the CNC theory part. And then next we cover about the CNC practical lathe machine, that is fan controller machine, on which we'll teach about how to do the settings. Entire overall control panel will be covered, all the buttons, okay, that is joke mode, MDI mode, MPG mode. So then soft keys and hard keys, how to start this CNC machines, that is also being covered on this. And then how to take a offset, how to like molding about CNC machine, that is how to clamp the tool holders, then how to hold the jaw on the jaw and the check, that is also be covered in the CNC lathe machine. And entire overall operating systems will be covered practically on the CNC lathe machines. So that is the overall of the syllabus of the course. Overall, this duration is around 3 months. That will be covered. Every day is 1 hour. If it is alternate, then 2 hours. If it is only weekend batches on Sunday, that will be around 3 to 4 hours to be covered. So these are successful students who have completed the batch. So this is a very successfully completed CNC lathe practical. This is a fan control BFW machine, and the students who are attending the practical on the CNC machine. Successfully completed the course and we are issued the certificate to the students. We have got the very good positive feedback from the students like Karthik Sinai, then Pratik Sinde and Mahendra. So they are all satisfied with our training program. Batches are available, as I said, regular, weekend and morning or evening batches are available according to the requirement, as a flexible batch timings also available. We are also provide a placement assistant to the students after completion of the course. We have provided the various students at various companies as mentioned over here. Then career and designation as a post. After learning this course, you will become an junior engineer, then senior engineer, CNC engineer, programmer, supervisor, manager, production engineer, quality engineer, sheet metal engineer, model engineer, then mold design engineer, inspection engineer, tool room engineer. So these are the various posts you can apply for after learning this course. Our features, benefit of joining at Parametric Solution is like we teach one student as well as in the batch of 4 to 5 students, maximum around 10 students also we take batches. Daily batches available, extra practice also be given to the students, Sunday special batches available. We also provide the various personality development, self-development, soft skill training program, then a special guest lecture, campus interviews, and industrial-based assignments to be given to the students. So overall 100% growth in CNC industry, where like CNC operator as you can start the career, then CNC programmer, tool room engineer, CNC supervisor, then become a manager or production manager. So that's the position. As per the salary will increase from like 10 to 15,000 initially you will get, and as your experience of 1 or 2 years, then you can go to up to the 25 to 35,000 package per month. That is. We'll give this certificate to the students after completion, attending the examinations or internal test. That is our institute certificate will be issued to the students, as well as we have Indian Technical Education Society, Mumbai which is government authorized certificate to be issued to the student. The fees, investment and durations, overall, we can visit our institute and we'll give you the best price for fees, investment and the duration as I explained. This course is completely about the theory and the practical. So our office located at Thane West at Takle Building above Vaishya Sahakari Bank near Maze Grantha Bhandar Bookstall, Chandani, Thane West. You can also get the link below in the description where you will attend our office. Our contact number, you can call on the number that is 9819523008 and landline number is 022 STD code and 25408163. You can write the mail to info@parametricsolution.com. You can visit our website that is www.parametricsolution.com. So you can call for the admission today. Thank you so much for listening and you are going through the entire process of this particular session. Thank you so much.